Moving can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be, especially when you choose the right moving company. If you're planning a move in or out of Troy, New York today, we'll show you the best movers near you. Let's dive into how to choose the premium moving company that makes your relocation smooth and stress-free. I'm here to introduce you to one of the most trusted and reliable names in the moving industry, 3 Movers, a family-owned business with over 25 years of experience. Let's explore why they are one of the best moving companies in Troy. Now, let's talk about the variety of moving services that make 3 Movers stand out from the crowd. Whether you're relocating to a new apartment, moving your office, or heading across the country, they have you covered. Here's a breakdown of the services you can rely on. 3 Movers offers full-service moving, so they handle everything from packing and crating to loading, transporting, and unloading. Whether you're moving across town or across the globe, their team ensures everything is packed securely, using the best packing materials to avoid any damages. And the best part? They offer customizable packages to fit your specific needs, whether you need them for the entire move or just part of the process. Need same-day moving? No problem. Have special items like furniture, art, or a piano? They've got that covered too. You might be wondering, what does a move cost? Well, the price depends on a few factors. 3 Movers offers free, no-obligation estimates, and you can get a flat rate or hourly rate depending on your needs. They'll even work with you to create a budget-friendly plan to ensure you're getting the best value. By getting an in-person estimate, 3 Movers ensures you get the most accurate quote possible. No hidden fees, no surprises, just clear, upfront pricing. Now let's take a moment to talk about their storage services. If you're between homes or need a little extra time to settle in, 3 Movers offers short-term and long-term storage options. Need to store your things for a week or a month? They've got flexible solutions. Get in touch today at 888-202-0036 for a free estimate, or visit their website to learn more about their services. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more moving tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on everything related to your next move.